Hello lovely students and welcome back to Tutorou. In today's video I'm going to expose some of the most common English mistakes that even native speakers make. So if you've made one of these mistakes in the past, don't worry, you're not alone, you're here to learn. Stick around and see until the end of the video how many of these mistakes you've secretly said wrong. Let's go. First mistake is spelling your versus your. They sound the same, but the spelling is different. If you want to show possession, you have to write your without an apostrophe. For example, your dress is pretty. If you want to say you are, then you have to write your with an apostrophe. You're late for dinner. If you are at the supermarket and you say there are less people today, it's incorrect. We use fewer for countable nouns like fewer apples, people, chairs, and we use less for uncountable nouns. Less water, less time, less money. Which one do you think is correct? I drank less soda. I ate fewer cookies. You're right, they are both correct. We use fewer for countable nouns and less for uncountable nouns. Then and than. She's smarter than me. That's incorrect. We need than for comparison. She is smarter than me. I arrived home, then I ate dinner. Don't forget the difference between these two thens. Then, spelled like this, is used for comparing two things. And then, spelled like this, is used for time and order. I versus me. My friend and I went to the park. It's correct. She took a photo of my friend and I. That's incorrect. If we talk about the object of the sentence, always use me. She took a photo of me and my friend. Irregardless. I've heard many of my students using this word incorrectly. In fact, it's not even a word. Use regardless instead. Regardless of the weather, we still went out. Should have or should have. Many people mix these two, and the first one is absolutely incorrect. I should have studied. It's grammatically incorrect. You should always say, I should have studied, and use the present perfect simple tense. Should have, always should have, not should have, should have. Every day and every day spelled like this. I wear this shirt every day. Well, that's an everyday problem, because every day spelled like this is an adjective and it means ordinary, regularly, while every day spelled like this means each day. This is my everyday bag. I use it every day. A lot and a lot. Well, the second a lot is incorrect and it doesn't exist in English. Always write a lot in two separate words. Treat a lot like a few or a little. It's always written in two separate words, never together. affect and effect. Let me tell you what, this one affects a lot of students. Affect is the verb, effect is the noun. The weather affected my mood. I didn't want to go outside anymore. The problem had a major effect on the student. As you can see, English is full of little traps that affect even native speakers. Which one of these mistakes have you made before? Drop it in the comment section below. And if you can think of other common mistakes which could affect even native speakers, please let me know. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you learned something new today. And if you did and you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friends and family who learn English. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.